just arrived on scene. Got a Honda Odyssey right here. Already took out the floor mats, personal items in the trunk, and then we get to the back seat. We put that trash bag in. We started already taking some trash out, but this is a little bit of a before shot. Here's the seat condition of the seats, and then we get to the passenger side. Here, and then there we go.
Hey y'all, welcome to the video. Luke just gave you guys a quick little walk around the vehicle we're dealing with today. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna handle all personal items while Luke takes out all the trash. And after that, it's gonna be the same process you've seen from other interior details. We're gonna go ahead, get on this so we can go ahead and get it done. Alright, so we went ahead and got done removing all the trash. What I'm having Luke do now is vacuum, and he's gonna have to blow it out and then vacuum again. There's just so much debris and dirt and just trash and everything hidden in cracks and crevices. That's what we're gonna have to do to go ahead and get the carpets prepared. I'm gonna go ahead, hop on the seats while he's doing all that vacuuming and blowing out.
What's up, guys? It's Luke here. Took longer than average to vacuum. Just got done vacuuming it out. See a major improvement. Jacoby's hard at work while I'm slacking. I'll give you a little walk around update. We can't open that door on the other side by request of the owner, but here's the inside look at it. And then here's the passenger side. Look at that, much improvement. Next we gotta pull out the steamer, get the stains out, and Jacoby's gonna work on plastics. And here's the driver's side. See if good improvement.
Hey y'all, I wanted to give you guys another update. Luke here probably has about a quarter away done of steaming all the carpets. Inside's actually turning out really good. And then I'm finishing up plastics over here in this area. I just have the underneath the steering wheel here and then this door panel. Then I'll be done with plastics. Luke already went ahead and did the door jambs. So then all we have left to do is final vac and windows. Alright, so right now we're putting the last finishing touches on everything. I'm gonna go ahead and get through and dress all any plastics I think that need to be dressed, like little scuffs like that. I'm gonna go ahead and dress just to take your eyes away from that. Luke's, as you guys can hear, is in there vacuuming, finishing up. But probably about another 30 minutes, we'll go ahead and wrap it up and I'll show you guys some afters because this car came out really good. ahead and finish up the detail. I'll give you guys a quick walk around. Just want to show you guys, we pulled 2 whole trash bags of trash alone out of the car, and then we pulled another trash bag of personal belongings out, and then that was the rest of the stuff that was in the back hatch area. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you guys want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button.